The Sony Xperia 10V is a mid-range smartphone that continues Sony's tradition of offering devices tailored for multimedia enthusiasts. Here's an overview of its key features, strengths, and areas where it could improve. The Xperia 10V features Sony's signature narrow and tall design with a 21:9 aspect ratio. Its compact and lightweight build makes it easy to hold and use with one hand. The device is made of durable plastic for the back panel and aluminum for the frame, ensuring a lightweight yet sturdy construction. The Xperia 10V is rated IP65/IP68 for water and dust resistance, making it one of the few devices in its class with such a high level of durability. The Sony Xperia 10V features a 6.1-inch OLED display with a 21:9 aspect ratio, offering a resolution of 2520 by 1080 pixels. The display achieves a peak brightness of approximately 972 nits in auto mode, ensuring clear visibility even under direct sunlight. The screen operates at a 60 Hz refresh rate, which is standard for this segment, providing smooth visuals for everyday tasks. Powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 695 chipset, the Xperia 10V offers reliable performance for everyday tasks like browsing, social media, and video streaming. It's not designed for heavy gaming or intensive multitasking, but it handles moderate tasks efficiently. 48MP main sensor utilizing quad-pixel binning to produce 12MP images, enhancing light capture and detail. 8MP ultra-wide sensor for capturing expansive scenes. 8MP telephoto sensor offering 2x optical zoom for closer shots. The 8MP front-facing camera offers fixed focus and delivers reasonable performance under favorable lighting. However, it struggles with dynamic range, and detail levels are relatively low. Comes with 6GB per 8GB of RAM and 128GB of internal storage, which is expandable via microSD-XC. This ensures smooth app switching and enough space for media and apps. One of the standout features of the Xperia 10V is its impressive battery performance. The 4500 mAh battery ensures extended usage, often lasting up to 2 days on a single charge, making it ideal for users who prioritize longevity. Running on Android 13 with Sony's minimalistic Xperia UI, the device offers a clean user experience. Sony has committed to providing at least 2 major Android updates and 3 years of security patches, ensuring the device remains up to date for a reasonable period. Pros: exceptional battery life, bright OLED display, front-firing stereo speakers, inclusion of microSD card slot and 3.5mm audio jack, IP65/68 water and dust resistance. Cons: 60 Hz display refresh rate, lower than some competitors. Lack of 4K video recording. Dated Snapdragon 695 chipset. Side-mounted fingerprint scanner performance could be improved. Conclusion: the Sony Xperia 10V is a solid mid-range smartphone that excels in battery life and offers features appealing to multimedia users. However, certain limitations, such as the outdated processor and lack of 4K recording,